Hello technology lovers. Welcome to the Top Tech HD channel. In this video, we bring you 8 crazy inventions and amazing machines that are at another level. Before we start, please do subscribe to our channel to follow all our amazing future uploads. Also, please watch till the end of the video, so that you don't miss out on any of our cool gadgets. Crazy invention number 8, we have the NINEBOT GOKART. NINEBOT GOKART is a cutting-edge electric go-kart by Segway. Segway, a worldwide leader in electric personal transportation, is setting the new standard of karting with its electric go-kart. A revolutionary electric go-kart from Segway. The first go-kart ever that is made to drift. A drifting machine that speeds from 0 to 12 miles per hour in just 2s. The go-kart with the fastest initial acceleration. Adjustable frame allows for a variety of rider sizes. Designed for all ages. Crazy invention number 7, we have the Hoverglide. Hoverglide is the world's first floating backpack. Also, one of the biggest backpack innovations in decades. This backpack is designed to reduce impact forces of walking or running by up to 86%. Reduce metabolic rate and exertion. Decrease potential for injury. Increase endurance. Water resistant for protection of electronic devices. Military tested to be rugged and durable. Crazy invention number 6, we have KANGOO jumping shoes. KANGOO is the worldwide leading brand for safe mobile rebound. KANGOO jumping shoes skillfully combine health, fitness, and are appropriate for all fitness levels and ages. KANGOO jumping shoes are designed to reduce impact on joints and muscles by up to 80%. Reduce training time and likelihood of overtraining. Burn twice the calories in half the time or less time. Improve core stability, posture, and balance. Increase endurance and metabolism. Increase muscle mass and bone density. Crazy invention number 5, we have NAUTI-CRAFT. NAUTI-CRAFT Private Limited is a research and development company focused on the design and development of marine suspension systems. NAUTI-CRAFT marine suspension systems are suitable for a wide range of vessels, from small recreational vessels and to up to 100-foot commercial workboats. This patented technology provides increased levels of ride comfort, control and stability. Also, the whole body vibration (WBV) is reduced by up to 75%, providing unparalleled levels of shock mitigation. A few notable benefits of NAUTI-CRAFT are: improves comfort and safety, reduces seasickness, allows safer transfer to fixed structures, improves speed and efficiency, active roll control (ARC), faster, more stable cornering. Crazy invention number 4, we have pontoon boat. A pontoon boat is a flattish boat that relies on floats to remain buoyant. A easy-to-tow recreational pontoon boat. That's perfect for families who want a stable, safe platform for relaxing and enjoying time on the water with their family. Pontoon boats have a ton of storage space and plenty of other comfort amenities to ensure every outing for years to come is filled with memories. A pontoon boat has the seating you need to invite everyone in the family out to cruise, relax, and play away the day. Crazy invention number 3, we have MANTAS XE1. The world's first water bike that replicates the cycling experience on water. MANTAS XE1 uses the same technology as America's Cup sailboats. This hydrofoil e-bike opens up a whole new cycling frontier, suitable for a wide range of fitness levels. MANTAS XE1 riders can explore ocean coastlines, train along waterways, or cruise lakeside with friends and family. Some benefits of the MANTAS XE1 are: variable electric assist deep water launch, allows riders to punch through moderate wind chop and over swell. Quick assembly in just under 2 minutes. Easy to carry. Easy to transport. Resilient against saltwater corrosion. Amazing machine number 2, we have COLMAR T1000FSC. COLMAR T1000FSC track machine installs sheet piles using a Movex vibratory hammer in Maidenhead. COLMAR company deals with a wide range of construction machines and maintenance of railway infrastructures. COLMAR's wide range of products includes rail, road loaders, shunters, and many machines in the field of rail infrastructure maintenance. COLMAR's machines are supplied to and are operated at state-owned railway companies all over the world. Crazy invention number 1, we have Haven Shield Door Barricade. Haven Shield Door Barricade is designed to protect you and your loved ones from intruders. While residential alarm monitoring companies call you to let you know that someone has broken into your home, the Haven Shield Door Barricade prevents them from getting in altogether. For less than the cost of alarm sensors installation and 1 year of monitoring, You can purchase a Haven Shield door barricade that will help you protect your family for many years. These barricades can fit on any conventional door in your home. Haven Shield barricades can be used on exterior doors, bedroom doors, bathroom doors, or closet into an instant safe room. These were designed primarily to secure your home or bedroom when you are sleeping.